Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best makeup brush cleaner. Here are the top 3 makeup brush cleaners that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Real Techniques Brush Cleaning Gel. This product is alcohol-free, and it won't dry out bristles of the brush or cause them to fall out prematurely. It cleans makeup brushes and sponges with a gentle formula that doesn't leave a residue. This product features a gel-based cleanser that removes dirt, oil, and makeup from brushes without causing dryness or irritation. It helps the bristles to stay soft and pliable to prevent breakage and keep the brush in tip-top condition. The gel lathers beautifully to create a barrier between the brush head and water for deep cleaning without damaging delicate hair fibers. At number 2. EcoTools Makeup Cleaner for Brushes. This brush cleaner removes makeup from brushes and sponges with just using water and contains a non-toxic formula that is biodegradable. It can also be used as a hand soap or dish detergent and is safe for septic systems. The formula is free of dyes, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and harsh chemicals that could irritate sensitive skin. This product is a gentle cleanser which is environmental friendly, and it can be used on all brush types including natural hair, synthetic bristles, and vegan bristles. It is a hypoallergenic, water-based shampoo that is dermatologist tested and is made with plant-based ingredients. At number 1. Practk Silicone Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat. This cleaning mat is made of durable silicone, which makes it easy to clean and is long-lasting. The compact size of this makeup brush cleaner allows you to quickly clean all your brushes at once. This cleaning mat has raised ridges that help trap dirt and oil from the bristles when you wash them with water or brush cleaner. The mat also features a non-slip backing to prevent spills while washing, and it doesn't absorb any water or liquids. Practk Silicone Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat can be used in bathtubs, showers, sinks, or even on the countertops. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.